Breaking news. Wike sends out important message to PDP and for everyone who cares to listen and to make a difference in the forthcoming days as elections draw near and closer. And it says, listen, for us to make a headway, you see the force called unity is not negotiable in any way, form, or kind. And for us to honestly be able to make a difference, unity is a watchword. We all have to unite. We all have to honestly, sincerely work together in unity. This is what he has told the People Democratic Party. No unity, no victory. You know why? Those from the north are eyeing the presidency, even though they know Buhari's tenure is already rounding up and he has been from the north. And when you think about it clearly, is that not the 101 of selfishness? Is that not the 101, the beginning of selfishness? You are becoming a leader, yet you are not sacrificial for the good of all. So these are some of the things, happening. Let's get all the details. 2023 presidency. Why we may fail and fall if we fail to unite. No unity, no victory. Disunity, our greatest weakness, and we will be exposed. The Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike, has called on the People Democratic Party, PDP, to forget about winning the 2023 presidential election without unity. Governor Nyesom Wike on Monday, February the 7th, stated that the People Democratic Party should first of all deal with the issue of unity before planning to wrestle power from the All Progressive Congress APC. Wike gave his opinion after questions of zoning the party ticket was talked about. Governor Nyesom Wike, Rivers State, has called on the People Democratic Party (PDP) chieftain and leaders to unite and form a formidable force ahead of the 2023 presidential election. Wike was in Kaduna to visit Senator Ahmed on Monday, February the 7th, said the most important need for the People Democratic Party in the forthcoming election is not about reclaiming power from the All Progressive Congress. No. The Fury and the outspoken governor added that the issue is also not about zoning the presidential ticket to any zone. In his view, what the opposition party desperately needs at this time is unity from all stakeholders and members to work together and save Nigeria from the current clause of the wickedness of this present administration. People are dying daily. People are being kidnapped, killed, and much more is going on, too numerous to talk about. Governor Nyesom Wike made it plain that without unity from the People Democratic Party, this might not go well. Talking about taking back the presidency in 2023, we must first of all put our house together. He believed that Nigeria is bleeding and is bleeding fast from the current administration, and the country is looking out for help, resuscitation, and back to life. And only the People Democratic Party, according to him, can bring this to Nigerians. This is not about who wants to run for presidency. That is not the issue here. Who wants to zone presidency? That is not the issue either. The issue here is for every one of us that matters to come to duty, working in unity. If we like, zone presidency to the west. If we like, zone it. But we must work together in unity to win this. Everybody must speak with one voice. I concur with you, Nyesom Wike, on the account of your message delivery to your party, that unity is not negotiable in terms of winning and going forward with what is currently on ground. If everybody keeps quiet and nobody speaks, if everybody pretend that all is well, listen, guys, you will be shocked what else will go on, because when a house is about to be divided, the first thing that goes down is communication, such that I'm saying A and you're hearing B. So you come attacking and saying, why did you say A to me? And I'll say to you, I didn't say A. I was actually saying B, C, D. And I will say, you are not listening. So why did you attack me in that way? Have you heard of what we call commotion? Then interests are divided. So why did you speak to me in that way? Yeah, it was your fault. It's my fault. It's our fault. Things fall apart. So disunity is a very strong force that destroys even brothers. Have you heard of twins in Nigeria singing together for a long time, made their mark, made their name? Yeah, their own very brother was their producer or manager, whatever, and they were working together in unity. Their names were all in almost all concerts, doing excellently well. People wants to watch them in concerts, in places. They were invited to all the shows. Their name were on billboards. Guess what? Along came the word called disunity. They got married and they could not manage the affairs of their home. And before you know it, it came into business. One's wife said, "You are the only one singing all the chorus. Why are you not doing the solo?" The other wife said, "They're making a ride of you. They're taking you for granted." Before you could say Jack Robinson, they were all apart. And guess what? They try they tried solely, okay, solo to do it and to make it rise. They did not know that what held them together, the glue that made them, because, I mean, if they had not started in that phase together, it's fine. But for them, the glue and what makes them special and unique was the fact that there was synergy among them. And as soon as that line of synergy was broken, have you heard of things fall apart? That was what happened. Although they try to come back, but guess, let me tell you something. By the time you are trying to come back, the stage is already full. Like there's a book I read when I was much younger. The beautiful ones are not yet born. By the time you are thinking of coming back, a lot of water have gone under the bridge. Lots of people are coming up every day with new ideas. So what are we talking about? Disunity does not progress anybody. Nobody move forward with disunity. Nobody move forward. You know, even in the Bible, when people were trying to do something and disunity came, they could not understand one another. Game over. The Torah could not be completed. So, what are we talking about? That's it. Leave us a comment. We really love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now. Bye.